Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I'm going to install window visors or rain guard, and I'm going to use on my HUMMER in-channel visors. In-channel means they goes inside of your window. I'm going to install outer visors which I'm going to use on my other HUMMER, so please watch out that video in case if you want to install on your HUMMER. This is very easy and very simple process. I have received my package today and the visors came, so I'm going to take it out. One tip I wanted to share with you, that when you install it, we're just going to put it in and see if they fit in. Same thing we'll do for the back. There are 4 visors, 2 for back and 2 for the front. This one comes along with the tape, so we're going to insert it in and we're going to see if they, just a quick check. That's the tip I wanted to share with you. Sometimes what happens is that you receive the product don't fit, then it's easy for you to return the product back. So without removing the tape, we're just going to put it in and see if they fit. So as you can see, they are perfectly nicely fit. Now it's very easy to do it. I'll remove the tape. Once the double-sided tape is removed, and we're going to do the same thing as I have shown you. We're going to put it in, just bend a little, comes on straight on the top, and then firmly press it up and the sides, and they are perfectly fit. And just slide your fingers once, that's all. Now for the back one, which is the rear one, same thing. We're going to remove the tape and we're going to put it in. So once you put it in, then you press upwards, and this is it. And it does not take that long. It takes just a couple minutes to put it on, and I'm going to repeat process on other side. So I have installed 2 on this side, which is the driver side and the back passenger side. This is the important step. We're going to close the windows and the back one. So now we close the window and we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Don't move around because you want the double-sided tape to stick better. And look at how beautiful, nicely in-channel sun visor. Now you can leave your windows open. There will be no rain or no dirt will go inside. And this is really cool. I like it. They look really beautiful. I hope this video will help you out to make your HUMMER look better. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. This is the front passenger side. This is the rear. This is the driver side. And this is the rear driver side. They're looking really nice. Perfect.